How to test games. Today many exciting video games exist in the market. These games are available on many devices like computers, consoles, tablets and smartphones. Now let us discuss game testing, how to test game software. Game testing is exciting work. As a game tester, first you need to find out the purposes of the game under test. Your game may have the purpose of gamer education of some sort. For example, rules about the game or knowing trivia about the game. Your game's purpose may be development of certain skills. For example, planning a strategy, quick thinking, fast reflexes. In the case of multiplayer games, the purpose can be development of social skills like teamwork and cooperation. But the biggest purpose of any game is to have lots and lots of fun. Then there are game requirements which detail the game's purposes, such as the game should launch, each specified feature should work correctly and completely, and there should be no glitches or defects in the game. Now, keeping these high-level purposes and detailed requirements in mind, let us see the types of testing games need. So first is the install test. Here the game is installed using the steps of the installation process. The installation testing is performed on every type of supported gaming device, whether it is a console or a tablet or a computer. Next is feature testing. This is the heart of game testing. The list of game features is taken and each game feature is tested as exhaustively as possible. The tests are at multiple levels. For example, there can be high-level tests for tasks in the game. For example, going through every level of the game and winning the game. Or there can be detailed tests for every feature. For example, that each of the controls works correctly, or the feature to start or suspend or resume or stop the game is working correctly. In case when you are testing complex rules, you can take the help of test matrices. An example where you would need such a test matrix is when a particular weapon is available to the gamer only after clearing a particular level. Apart from executing pre-designed tests, exploratory testing is done to play the game with the purpose of revealing defects. Next is UI testing. All the graphic elements, for example the characters in the plot, the background and the objects in the game are tested. The text and audio content is also tested. If the game supports multiple languages, you need to test it playing it in each of those languages. Next is performance testing. The game should not slow down and it should never freeze up. For performance test, you can identify the common tasks in the game and the acceptable response times from the game. Then you test the game to note the actual times against the acceptable response times. Another way to test the performance is to test the endurance of the game. So run the game non-stop for 24 hours to see if there are any performance problems. In case of multiplayer games,